Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We're going to look at the center pulley hub on these IBM Selectrics. So I've got a hub in the machine right there. I'm going to put a reinforcement ring around it, and then I'm going to trim this center piece here, which I'm going to show that in a little more detail right here. So this collar goes on the operational shaft there. This goes on the shaft like that. What happens when these crack? So this one has hairline cracks. Not only do they crack out here in the teeth and cause a belt problem, they crack on this little inner ring right there. And that ring will expand, and then this collar will bind. So that's too tight. It's fitting on there real tight. And it needs to be totally free, like this 3D printed hub is. You put that piece on here and it's totally free. It just falls right off. But this one is tight because the plastic expanded here with these cracks. So if you reinforce one of these hubs before it cracks, this inner ring still has to be attended to, and it has to be trimmed down. Some of the material has to be trimmed down on that. So what I've been doing on these is using an X-Acto knife with just kind of get a sharp tip there. And I showed this on another video once, but I'm going to do it here on this video and try to get some light down in here. See what I'm doing. And I'm going to turn the machine on and run this hub. And going to try to, the camera's kind of in the way here, going to push this right against there and trim off, use this like a lathe. I'm going to trim off just a small layer, run my knife across there and just keep trimming. Do this edge a little bit. Come back in here. Okay, let's stop and try this. And we'll just take a look and see how this collar fits now. Let's stick this collar on there. It should be nice and loose. Yeah, it just falls off. It's perfect. So it just takes a little bit of trimming of that edge to make this fit. And that's all I wanted to highlight today was that little edge needs to be attended to before you can reuse one of these hubs. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.